Alright, so we just made it to the beach, and today I'm going to show you guys the fastest and easiest way to make a vlog or a video on your phone without using any computer or anything, any camera, any gear, just your phone. Stay tuned, let's go. So first of all, if you guys don't know, you guys need the app Adobe Rush. So Adobe, if you guys don't know and you're looking to do video, Adobe is great, and they just released Rush, which you can do it on your phone. So I'm gonna jump into Rush and edit something together on there. I'm gonna shoot it all right now. We're at Qurum Beach in Oman. And then I'm just gonna put the clips right in there and edit them up there so you guys can see them. The sun's rising right now, it's like 5:30 in the morning. So yeah, let's do it. So once you get into the app, you're gonna go over, hit new project, go to your camera roll, import anything that you did shoot before. First, you're gonna obviously title it. Then once you have it titled, select some of your footage, which I shot the ones before I got into Rush. And now once we get those imported, just gonna load the media real quick. Boom, there we go. Now we're in Rush. So you can see that we are in Rush. So I'm just gonna shoot some stuff right here. I'm on the beach right now. Yeah. Gonna get some cinematic footage, you could say. Make this cinematic vlog. Are you about to swim? Or no? Take a picture? Okay, I have to take Jen's picture first. So Jen's actually collecting some trash on the beach right now and cleaning up. It was her idea to come at 5:30 in the morning. At 4, actually. Sun's up. Chad's got a nice little hyperlapse on the GoPro. Well, yeah.
We're gonna do some cleaning. You guys should do your part too, because the earth is going to end.
So after you get your B-roll, you're gonna wanna make sure that you get the whole story and don't leave anything out. So Jen was picking up trash, and I got another video of her picking up the trash, which we actually found that. We didn't just throw it in there and then pick it up. Then you're gonna wanna throw those clips into Adobe Rush if you didn't already take it in Adobe Rush. So you can also take images, videos, audio, voiceover, whatever it is that you want, and put it right in Adobe Rush. So picking up the trash here. Where's Jen? She's on this side. There we go. Boom. And yeah, Adobe Rush is amazing. Honestly, I'm not sponsored. This isn't a sponsored video or anything. I thought I'd just share with you guys the fastest way, honestly, to make a video. Just because it's so easy now and everybody thinks that it's hard and they need equipment. Start with your phone. Video may suck, but you gotta get there somehow. So yeah, let's get a few more shots, then throw them in. Bro? What's all this, like, hanging? It's literally as easy as it sounds. You drop your footage in, add music if you want, don't add music if you don't want. I would recommend adding music. You can add text, just hit the little text thing, add some text, add a title. Whatever you'd like to add to your video, you can really do. And they have a lot of tutorials on it. There's a spider on my phone right now. I wish I could get a video of that. But, oh, it's hanging. Yeah. Look at this. Check it out. It's not gonna focus, but anyways, it's a great way for you guys to get started. So if you guys want to get started with video, or making a video just for fun. Jump in Adobe Rush, try and make something, test it out, see how you like it. Let me know down below, drop a comment if this video helped you guys or you learned something out of it today. So I thought I would just make a fast little video, share with you guys and show you guys how easy it really is. It's just a matter of doing it and not thinking about what you're gonna film. So, yep, I think I covered everything. What is that? Let me help you?
It's very heavy.
Oh, it's full of sand. This fishing net is so heavy. Oh boy, it's filled with sand too. So it doesn't make it any better. The beach here is really cool though. Remember, if you're gonna make a video or a vlog, as long as it has a beginning, middle, and end, you can make a video. Even if it's like throwing this trash away. If I want to make a video about throwing this net away, let me give you an example. First, I would need the shot of me picking it up, which I have. Second, I need the shot of me carrying it, which I also have. Third, I need the shot of me throwing it away, which now I have. So there you go. Short story, easy. Get it filmed. I think one of the cool features is that you can literally just click add media and record and add it straight into the thing. You can add audio or whatever it is that you want to add. And it just makes it so easy. So thank you, Adobe. Whew, Jen is far out there, but I just carried that thing back and it's super heavy. So, see what else I can get on my iPhone. Me and Chad are filming time lapses right now, so. So yeah, this video is not really a full in-depth like guide on how to use Adobe Rush. There's a lot of videos on it. If you guys want, honestly, just type in Adobe Rush and you'll find a shit ton of videos on Adobe Rush. I just want to give you guys a little bit of what you guys can do if you want to create. Now I have to help Jen get some more trash. She's doing a good job cleaning up the whole beach, saving this earth like y'all should be doing. How much trash did you get?
I found like 4 bags. I found like 30 straws. And we found a fishing net, a lot of plastic bags, a lot of straws, a lot of bottle caps. Not good. I found a fishing line with the weight and the hook on it.
Yeah. Was that the one that I carried?
No.
Oh, that one was heavy.
That was a fishing net.
There's a dog.
There's so many straws. Literally so many. Look at all the straws I picked up. This is why we need metal straws and reusable cups. Because look at so many straws on the beach. This is terrible.
Literally, they give you a straw here with like your soda and anything that you order. Even if it has like, it's just a soda can, like they'll literally give you a straw. It's the weirdest thing, but that's what they do, so. Another straw.
This could just be like a collage of straws.
All right, well, we're gonna head back now. So if you guys like this video, be sure to drop a like, leave a comment below, let me know what you guys thought. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you later.